What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you a powerful AI workflow that is going to help your sales team a ton because it's going to look at every single one of your customers and track any job changes that might occur for your champions. So obviously if you have a customer, you sold into them before, you've built up this champion, someone who loves your product, people who rave about your product, and you want to know when they move to a new company because that is a perfect opportunity to sell your product to that new company. So in this workflow, I'm going to show you how to keep tabs on all of your customers and get notified whenever a key member within one of your customers' organizations leaves. This workflow built obviously entirely in Cassidy. At a high level, here's what this workflow does. First, it pulls in all of your customers directly from your HubSpot or your Salesforce. So directly in your CRM, all your existing customers. It's going to loop through each one of your customers and gather the company information and the critical champions that you sold within that company. For each of the key champion that's part of that deal within your CRM, it's going to go look at their LinkedIn profiles to see if they're currently at the company or if they left, where did they go? So basically analyzing their work history to detect if any job changes occurred. And then the really cool thing is it's going to send the designated account executive or sales representative an alert that a key member of their customer has moved on to another company and to go after and sell them. Obviously, tracking job changes of the champions that you already sold is a major unlock to sell a lot more deals instantly. You have someone who knows your product, loves it, and willing to buy it again. Let's create a new workflow in Cassidy. For this trigger, we're going to select a schedule and set it to run every Monday at 9 a.m. This ensures that we start each week knowing if any of our champions have changed jobs. With Cassidy, I'm just going to simply use the lookup HubSpot record block, which makes it really easy to pull in the associated companies. I have this set to pull in only our closed won deals. So obviously in our CRM, these are the ones that are existing customers. You'll be able to customize this for whatever you need to pull in your existing customers from your CRM into Cassidy. Now we can extract the deal IDs, which we'll need for this next part. So now we're going to set up a loop action to search each deal individually. Using the company ID, we can then extract the company name. So next we'll use the API again and extract the contact IDs from that company. And again, using those contact IDs, we'll create another loop to go through each one and pull the contact name. Using the contact name, we'll add in a search internet block to find the profile that matches each contact. We then have a whole process in place to just verify that this is the right person. Now, this is where the magic happens. Using a generate text block, we'll use an AI to analyze the company in HubSpot deal and the company in their LinkedIn profile to detect any job changes. Do those two things actually match up? If there's a mismatch, we've detected a job change. This person has now moved jobs. So now we'll extract their new company and title, and then we'll be able to use a control flow action to only continue if there is a job change. So now basically we've looked at all of our customers. We found someone who has changed jobs. It is a champion of a previous deal, and now we can sell them again. Now the last piece is here. It combines it all together, and it sends a Slack message to the account executives to know, here are some new prospects for you. You've already sold them before. They're your champions. Go sell them again at this new company. So we have our send to Slack action. We set the channel that we wanted to send to. And every morning, your team is going to receive a clean, organized summary of all the champion job changes that happened in the past week. There you have it, a fully automated system for tracking job changes that run completely on autopilot. If you want more tutorials like this, comment down below, hit subscribe, smash that like button, and we will see you next week.